What is going on, Roman Empire? Today we are going to be doing episode 2 of of my new series, Live Event Grinder. So we're going to be grinding out this NBA royalty thing because we need it. Let's see how many collectibles we have so far. Stop, Ronald! Stop with the water. Jeez. So we have 4. We have 8. 4 on the eastern, 4 on the western. Now let's start doing this. Let's do this grind. So yeah, this is gonna be episode 2 of the live event grinder. Let's get this first assist. Bang. We're supposed to win. Okay, so I need a big shot. Waiters can't make it. Come on, waiters. Oh, get it. Yes. Come on, waiters. Yes, 2 assists. 2 assists. The waiters. Waiters, slam it down. 3 assists. Alright, guys. So we've already got the 3 assists. Now all we need to do is just win the game. And I think we will be getting our collectible if we get more points than them. Oh, make that. Oh, and he missed. So it's going to be bad. It's going to be tables turns. Tables have been turned. I don't know where this could go. No! Oh, and he misses. Not the dude. Come on, Isaiah. Don't get blocked. All you had to do was make the shot. Oh! What a... Oh my gosh, that would have been a heck of a save. But he cannot get it. So that's bad. Pretty bad for us if they get a point. 38 seconds left. 30 seconds on the shot clock. On the game clock. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Wade! Bang! We need a 3. Right here. Right now. We need it if we want to win this. Splash it over, Isaiah, please! Yeah! Woo! Let's go! Dang, the Roman Empire is stronger than these Cavs, I think. Let's see if they're stronger than the Cavs. Let's see if they're stronger than the Cavs. Let's see if the Roman Empire is stronger than the Cavs. Oh, God. It's going to be one of those. What the fudge? What the heck did I just do? Did I mess up the whole game? Yep, I lost. You are... Shut up. Hey. Play too much. Anyways, because I am mad as ever. We got what we needed, and now we're going to start missing. And he's going to miss again. It really does suck. We could have got 1 collectible instead. No. What are y'all doing? Miss. Give it to Grant. If Grant misses, Grant sucks. Let's see if Grant... Oh, waiters can Raiders? Okay, waiters can do it. Let's do autoplay until they get on defense. Get on offense. Let's go. Give it to Isaiah to splash it! Pretty much the game is over. If we can hit 100 before they do. In there! The heck did he get that shot from? What in the freaking world? What just happened? Oh my, I swear to gosh. If these Cavs come back, I am going to be so no May. What can we do? What the heck can we do? We can't beat this stupid team. Hey, getting this royalty guy is, I swear. Get the dang rebound. And he gonna miss the catch. Come on, just splash it in his face. I'm rage quitting. I'm sorry, guys. I'm